Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Have you ever wrapped up salmon or chicken in foil and popped it in the oven, thinking it's the perfect, easy cleanup? Well, what if I told you that using aluminum foil, especially with things like lemon juice, could be sneaking metals into your food? Here's what's really going on. Aluminum foil is super handy, but it doesn't always play nice with acidic foods. Think lemon, tomatoes, or vinegar-based marinades. When you cook with these, tiny bits of aluminum can leach right into your meal. And while your body can handle a little aluminum too much over time, that's linked to issues like memory loss and bone health. Not exactly what I want for my dinner, so does it actually matter? For most people, a little aluminum here and there isn't a big deal. But if you're meal prepping a lot, always cooking at high heat, or whipping up lemony dishes in foil every week, you might want to rethink things. And hey, if you're cooking for kids, older folks, or anyone with health concerns, it's smart to be extra cautious. Luckily, I've got your back with some easy swaps. First, try putting a layer of parchment paper between your food and the foil. That way, you get the convenience without the risk. Or skip the foil altogether and use a glass or ceramic dish when you're working with those tangy marinades. And if you're baking something super acidic, just avoid wrapping it in foil directly. Know a friend who loves their foil packet meals? Share this with them. And follow for more real-life health tips to keep your kitchen safe and your cooking delicious.